Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with another exciting review of another Eufy security product, and this time it's the 2K security camera setup. So this one actually comes with the kit. It comes with 2 cameras in there as well as the base station. It has everything that you need to get going, do your security, and it says that it'll last for up to 180 days on one charge. We'll talk about that in a minute, but it is really good and it lasts for quite a while. And I've reviewed a lot of other Eufy security products. The security door lock, the wireless security doorbell, the floodlight security camera. So this is like the 4th time that I've taken a look at their products, and this is a long-term review. I've actually been using this for several months now, and this isn't one of the normal, okay, use it for like 2 or 3 weeks, test it out. I've been using this for months, and I have some thoughts on it. I want to relay that to you guys and tell you all about it, but generally, very, very positive thoughts, and I like it a lot. Now, before we get into all this, though, I do want to say if this is your first time stopping by the channel, I appreciate you being here. If you enjoy the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. Now, let's talk about the 2K security cameras. Before we get started, for transparency purposes, I do want to let y'all know these cameras were sent out to me as a review unit from Eufy. This is not a sponsored video, though. I wasn't paid for this. I'm not being compensated. They're not getting to see this before you are. They're just going to get a little blip that says, oh, Adam reviewed our cameras finally that we sent him forever ago. And this time, I kind of wanted to take a different approach. And typically, it seems like people enjoy my Eufy security videos. That's great. I'm glad y'all like them. And I wanted to make sure I did y'all justice on this one as well. This one is a long-term review. This is not, okay, I did an unboxing, I set the sucker up, 2 weeks later, let's make a video. I've had these installed since August, so quite a while now, and I gotta say they've held up pretty darn well. And here's one of the cameras right here. Very, very easy to install. These have two-way communication on them, which is fancy. You can talk to somebody on the other end of the camera. So if you're sitting there, you get a security notification, pull it up, use your app, you can talk and the person can hear you. There's a speaker on the bottom and you can hear what they say because it's got the microphone. Is it the fastest, like instantaneous communication? No, there's like a 1-second delay, but it works perfectly fine. The only time you're never gonna be able to get a hold of anybody is if it's like the mailman dropping something off and the couple seconds delay from when the notification occurs to when you get it on your phone to when you can actually start talking to somebody, they'll be back at the mailbox already. But if somebody stops, rings your doorbell, and waits there for a couple of seconds, then yes, you can interact with them, which I think is pretty valuable. Especially if you got kids at home or neighbors that stop by, or the kids are getting off the bus and they're at the front door and you're not at home when they get there. There's some good practical application for this stuff. So, how does it hold up? Well, like I said, I've been using it since August and I'm just now having to charge this. So, September, October, November, December. So I got about 4 months out of it on one battery charge, and I think that that's good. Actually, I think it's really good. It's way better than the Arlos that I had. I had several Arlos, and I scrapped those suckers and threw them on the shelf as soon as I got these because these are significantly better. The sound quality is better. The picture quality is better. It does up to 2K video, which is especially important because you can see so much more detail. The color is great. The contrast is good. The picture is nice and clear. I really like what Eufy's doing with these things, and like I said, it works really well. It's got motion detection. You can go on the app. I'll show you some of that stuff here in a minute when you can set your zones. Set it for human motion versus any motion. You can have it set different levels of sensitivity. So yeah, I think that there's a lot of great stuff in here. They're weatherproof. It's got IP67 dust and water resistance. So that means you're basically not getting any dust or debris in here. And you could drop this in up to a meter of water for 30 minutes and it would still be okay. So you don't have to worry about rain. You don't have to worry about storms. None of that stuff. If you get some ice on there and it melts, it should be okay. So, and if you're worried about that, just go pop it off. It's very easy to take off. There's actually 2 ways you can install it. There's a little base that this attaches to via magnets, or there's one that comes with a little screw post that you can screw onto here for a more permanent fixture so you don't have to worry about it falling off, the wind blowing it off, a bird landing on it and maybe it coming off. Yep, any of those random freak acts of nature that could cause it to fall off. But I don't think that that's going to happen. I've had mine sitting up on my front doorstep and on the side of my house for months and they haven't budged. So I have one installed with the post and I have one installed via the magnet with the base. No issues there. Anyway, so it works in black and white. It has night vision mode, which is cool, but then you can also see in color at nighttime. So it uses the ambient light so you can see what's going on. If you have it on the night vision mode, it's black and white like the old school security cameras, but you can see really, really well. Lots of detail. And then if you want the regular night mode, where you just see it with what's going on as if it were real life. It illuminates and you can see well that way too. Though it has 16 gigabytes of storage, it's built into the security base. It's not expandable. You can't throw more storage in there, which is kind of annoying, but it will do up to 3 months of recordings before it starts writing over them, and it does loop recording, so when it gets to the 3-month-old recording, it just starts recording over those old ones to make space, so you're still saving the newer ones. This is the base that it connects to. All you have to do, plug this into your network. Very easy. Power adapter comes with it, and then you've got the connector there for the Cat 5 cable or the Cat 6, whatever you're using, your LAN cable port. And the base also has an alarm built in, so you can set it up for that to go off and you can hear it inside your house. So it's pretty nifty there, and it's very easy. All you have to do, power it up, plug it in, download the app, and you're good to go. And the app is very simple and easy to use. You can use it with iOS and you can use it with Android. And before I get into talking any more about this, let's go ahead and I'll show you what the app looks like just so you can see how all that works. So this is what the Eufy security app looks like, and it works just the same on iOS or on Android, which is really important, so that way nobody's excluded. If you've got a smartphone, basically you can use this app. And I like this feature right here, the snooze. You can go in there and set it for 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, however long, and it's nice because like if your kids are out playing basketball in the front yard like mine do all the time, it's constantly setting off the motion sensor, which gives you notification after notification, wears down the battery. So I think that's really important. You can also go in, check the events, and you can see all the different video clips that are there for however long, up to 3 months, which is nice. Motion detection here, you can adjust this. I kind of showed you a little bit of a clip earlier. There are zones you can set, or you can just straight up do the sensitivity and have it on default for human or just for motion in general. You might want to test this out. There is a way you can test it out in the app. Right there you can see motion test mode at the bottom, just so you can set it and fine tune it for your own particular preferences. And that's going to be important. Now you can adjust the stuff for the power manager, optimal battery life, optimal surveillance, customized recording. This right here is going to be the keys to the city whenever you want to try and maximize battery life. And yeah, if you've got one on the front door, you may not want every motion event to go off, but if you've got one on the back or the side, that's kind of important because they're less traveled areas. Another nice feature here is setting the video quality, and you can do this independently for streaming or recording. Streaming is nice because you can set it for auto. It'll detect your strength on your network, or in recording quality, you can put it on 2K or 1080p. So you're going to get the most optimum settings for both. Audio settings, the microphone, audio recording, you can turn those things on and off if you just want recordings with video, no audio. And it gives you the ability to do that. You can set it up for NAS or RTSP storage for additional storage on your network drive, which is nice. Different alert tones, which are good, and those will play on your speaker inside the house. Like I said, RTSP and NAS, you can set those up if you are adept at doing that stuff and have a NAS storage device or whatever. That's something you can do. And I particularly like this part because it goes in and it shows you how to install the camera. Anybody can do this. Like, it is not something that is going to keep you from having home security in your home. And it's got a video in here. It shows you everything, and it's pretty intuitive. Like, you can sit down and spend a couple minutes and try and figure it out. No big deal. You can share access to other people. And overall, I think they did a really good job with the app. I think that it's well built out and it's easy to use, and it's great because it ties in all your other Eufy security products as well. Alright, so that's about it when it comes to the Eufy security camera setup, the 2K security camera kit. So it's nice and easy, it's convenient, there's no wires, it's so easy to set up. I mean, it walks you through it. It's really nice. You go through the app, it walks you through the process to install and set everything up. And if you have other Eufy security stuff that's already set up, it's all in the same app. The app is super convenient. It's gotten better. It has 2FA security authentication. So if you try to log in from another phone, it sends you the code to your email that's registered with your profile. So that way you can make sure that only you or somebody you want to give permission to can log into it. You can share the access to the cameras with other people. So if you want somebody else to have access to it, then they can look at it as well. And then you can save everything on it. So if you are worried about something getting written over, you can save the video file to your phone, and you can save it directly from the app and send it to your Google Drive. You can send it via email. You can send it in a text message link. There's a lot of different things you can do with it. It's very versatile. Like I said, I've been using it for over 4 months now. It advertises on the front of the box that you get up to a year of battery. I'm going to tell you, you're not going to get that. Now, you might get up to about 6 months, and like I said, mine just died like today or yesterday, and I've been using it since August. So I think that's really good though. The thing is the motion is what kills the battery. Like, I've been using the cameras for basically the same amount of time. I got one on the front door, I got one on the side of my house. The one on the side of my house doesn't get much traffic, so the battery life on there is actually still pretty good. It's this one right here that sits on my front door. Every time somebody goes in and out the door, the mailman comes up, the Amazon guy comes by, all the Christmas present deliveries. Every time those motion events are triggered, it cues on the camera, so it starts recording, and then that's what drains the battery. So maybe in a hypothetical, theoretical world, if you live out in the middle of the woods and you don't have a bunch of deer walking around your house and there's nothing out there that's going to activate the security camera, yeah, it's going to last for a long time in standby mode. But if you live in a very active place, if you live in the suburbs, if you live in the city, then it's going to be much more diminished when it comes to battery life. And it also depends on where you have it. Like I said, high traffic areas is going to kill the battery faster. But I think that it's really versatile. I think that it's really good for the price. Like, I don't have a problem with the price point. It's cheaper than the Arlo stuff that I bought that's hot garbage. Like, I've not been impressed with the Arlo stuff, but there wasn't really a whole lot out there in the wireless department. So I'm glad that Eufy came along. I'm glad that they filled this need in the security world, because I like their other products, and I like that they're all in the same app. Like I said, I have the lock. You can see it behind me. Totally love that. It's been working great. I have the floodlight. I have the doorbell. They also work great too. And all you have to do is just charge them, take them wherever they're at, put them on the charger, put the security camera on the charger, charge it for a couple hours, throw it back on, and you're good for another couple of months. I don't think that's unreasonable. And I think that it works really well, and it's all built off of Anker's battery technology, because Anker owns Eufy. They make some of the best battery charging stuff in the consumer market. So I have a lot of confidence in these guys. They make solid products, and I'm going to keep reviewing them as more stuff comes out, as I can get my hands on it, and I'll be here to tell you about it. But I wanted to do this as more of a informal type of sit here, let you know, look, this is my experience with it. I like the app. It's greatly improved over what it was. You don't have to pay for any stuff. It has the local storage, so you're covered there, and there's no maintenance. I've not had any problems with this whatsoever. Works out nice. I think the price is good for what it is. The 2K resolution is solid. You can even do the 1080p like I showed you in the app. A lot of versatility, a lot of options, and I forgot to mention this earlier, but the alarm that's built into the security base, 100 decibels. So you can set that up as your motion alarm with the camera. It's loud as heck, and you're going to be able to hear it pretty much anywhere in your house. So that's all I've got on my review of the Eufy 2K security camera kit. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I will get back with you. If you enjoy the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.